recording right now?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Today I'm playing I Am Cat for multiplayer for the first time. We're here with Zippy. Doesn't have a VR channel, unfortunately. And yeah, let's play with some slingshots, actually. This is just gonna be a quick thing because why not? Can I like... No. Why? There's a slide at the top. I played with the sign. He's playing with a sign. Knife. We're gonna be Gordon Ramsay, okay? Where's the lamb sauce?
Hello.
Hello, I'm being Gordon Ramsay.
I fell from up there.
That in there. Ooh, it's gonna be sizzling. Don't touch it. Wait a minute.
Give it a plate so that it's better.
It's cooked.
Zippy's plate. The plate's cooked.
You take
How's
yours.
the pie going? I'm gonna jump in the pot.
Do you wanna know something?
What?
Eggplant.
Eggplant?
No!
How are you cooking an eggplant?
I fell. I fell. Let's play basketball. 0-0. I sucked at this. It's in the house. I threw it. Good job, me. I just threw the bat. Raw. Yummy. Let's go cut up some pigeon because these were in the garage, not the yard. I have pigeon. What did you do to the eggplant? We're gonna have roast pigeon tonight. Pirates at the Caribbean. What? Give me the knife. I want to cut up the birds. Where's the other knives? Can I cut up the bird, for God's... Yes. Cut up the birds. Oh man. Can you like... You can't
I'll turn him into a potato. I've turned him into a potato.
Go away, pigeon. You can't do anything with you. Let's parkour. And I suck. Yes, yes! I saved it.
Are you attempting me?
You just fell.
That's good.
God! I found a star room. Can I watch the stars? I see a dream island. Why is there a picture? Oh. Look behind you. Wait. I'm... No! I'm so good. This is a long ladder. And I hit... Da 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 da!
I'm gonna check out the hot air balloon.
The hot air balloon. We're in the hot air balloon.
The balloon's TD6. The hot balloon's TD6.
There are blimps in. No! I'm a bad climber. Well, you just record you climbing this because we have the same colour of fur, and then we could just no. Yeah. Yarg me hearties. Pirate cat. The pirates of the Caribbean. No! Yes! No! What the hell? Ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum, ba-da-bum bum. Cha-da-chum. Yes. There's an ice ring. Let's go. I'm not satisfied though. Is there any other way to get up here? Where's the lamb sauce? Where did he go?
You want to play a game of hide and seek?
Are you Granny? You know you can get Granny VR.
Yes, right, take me with me.
Are you?
Hello. Can you try catch me?
Okay. I got you. Oh. Oh, he's not okay. Oh God, is he alright? No, he's not alright, I don't think. Can I use this gun? Because it's a gun and I like guns. I do not know where the heck he is. Okay. Oh, for God's sakes. Why is my connection so rubbish? Anyway, there's a mirror here. That means end of the video. Yeah. Oh, bye.